Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read YouTube Shorts Analytics to track performance and grow faster. Want to know how your YouTube Shorts are performing? In this video, I'll show you how to read YouTube Shorts Analytics to track views and engagement and growth. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open YouTube Studio. And to do that, before you do that, you have to install the YouTube Studio app, or you can access it on your desktop. As for the Android and iOS, just go to Play Store or App Store and then search for YouTube Studio. After that, click on install and install the app. Now, after you install the app, go to YouTube Studio and click on Analytics to see an overview of your channel's performance, as you can see in this picture right here and this second picture. The second step is to check short specific data, and to do that, just click on content and then click on shorts to view stats like views, view how many people watch your shorts, the total minutes your shorts were viewed, and how long people stay on your shorts by clicking on average view duration. The third step is to analyze traffic sources. Scroll down to traffic sources types to see where views come from. For example, YouTube Shorts feed shows if your shorts are reaching new people. Suggested videos means your shorts appear after other videos. And browse features, this means views from YouTube's homepage. The fourth step is to check engagement metrics. Likes and comments and shares show if people enjoy your short. A higher click-through rate, CTR, means your title and thumbnail are working well. As for the fifth and final step, adjust your strategy based on analytics. If watch time is low, make shorts more engaging, and if views drop, change your title and hashtags or posting time. And if engagement is high, create more similar content. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to read YouTube Shorts Analytics. Use these insights to improve your videos and grow your channel. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.